Hello. Um, well, today, same day, but I might actually give you guys a little bit better of a look at the pocket knives out. So, I'll just go through it one by one. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Put you over here, little guys. So, I got one. Two, not much. My mom actually gave me this one. It was my stepdad's knife. I had a handle for it. That one. You ready? Wait, let's do that. That wasn't that cool. There. Last but not least, I have a broken thumb. It hurts to do so. I might be able to see the compartments. Yeah. So, got another one. I'm sorry. So this one, it's pretty good. I like the grip on it. It's a good little grip. The lock on the thing, I can lift 400 pounds and that does not come down. So one, I'll go with this one now. Pliers. Pliers! Sick! My uncle thinks, well, not my uncle, call him uncle, my dad, but I guess he's sort of my uncle. Yeah, you guys seen the flashlight? It doesn't work at the moment. Oops, got one thing in it. So it has a knife to it. Most of you guys have already seen that. It's really sharp actually. Oops. At least you guys can sort of see there. So yeah, screwdriver, bottle opener. Oops, this camera's so messed up. And a saw. So yeah, I showed you the blade on that one, so I'm not going to show you the blade on this one. Yeah, I showed you guys the blade on this one, just if you want to see it again. Still a little useful knife sometimes, I believe. I better got the lock on. Nope, I didn't. Good to my head. Let's see the blade on this one. Smith & Wesson. It also says something on the other side. CKLPB. Don't know what that means. Yeah. Strap. Yeah. And again, just if you guys forget, all my videos are not all about pocket knives. Some of them probably will be. Not all. Yeah, sort of sick. I said, who cares? I'll make a YouTube account. It might be pretty fun. So, yeah, I'll try to get to 1,000 likes in about couple days. Please, if you guys like this video, subscribe and put this on. I'm not gonna lie to my YouTube people. I had an account before. I made cool wooden knives, like I actually put like steel on it and sharpened it up. So I'll see if I have any more in my shed. If I do, I will send you a picture of it, or I can send it to you on Facebook if any of you guys Facebook. So yeah, bye.